Hello and welcome to this little special video on my channel. We are moving with big steps towards the 1000 subscribers and I like to give away a scale model kit when this happens. If you're a long-time viewer of my channel, then you already know that there is a giveaway challenge going on here for a while. But the video is already a few months old and many of the newer subscribers most likely didn't notice it. Let's talk about the giveaway and how you can participate. The rules are very simple. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment under this video that you are watching. And here it is. When my channel hits the 1000 subscribers, I will give away this M47 Patton from Tamiya in 1:35 scale in its West German version. I leave a link to Scalemates in the description so you can get a closer look. So how can you win this kit? It's simple. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment under this video. The comment can contain anything, it doesn't matter. When the channel hits 1000 subscribers, and that's just 70 from now, I'm going to make a drawing like I did with the 500 or 250 subscribers giveaway with all your usernames in it and draw the lucky winner. If you already subscribed to this channel, then thank you very much. But please make sure to leave a comment under this video to be part of the giveaway. But, if you already subscribed and comment under one of the other giveaway videos, then you already good to go for the next drawing. This isn't a new giveaway challenge. But you might notice that I changed the price, which was originally in Su-35 as a Russian Knights Special Edition. That was a great choice back then when I started the giveaway challenge, but that was a couple of months ago. I give the winner of the drawing the choice which kit he or she likes to have, as I think some people might not have the interest in building such a Su-35 and that's why I introduce the M47 Patton as a different choice the winner can make. So make sure to like and subscribe and share this video to fellow scale modelers who are interested in full build videos like you can find on my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.